Welcome to another thrilling episode of Mega Mining Operation, where power meets precision deep inside the heart of the coal mines. In today's video, you'll witness the Caterpillar 390D and 390F excavators in full action, two of the most powerful and advanced machines ever built for heavy-duty mining work. These mechanical giants are designed to tackle overburden, coal, and tough earth with absolute dominance. Watch as they load massive dump trucks with speed, power, and accuracy, turning raw energy into real productivity. From the roar of their engines to the synchronized movement of their hydraulic arms, this footage captures what real mining excellence looks like. Whether you're a machinery enthusiast, an engineer, or just someone who loves watching mega machines at work, this is pure mining satisfaction in 4K. The Caterpillar 390D and 390F excavators represent the epitome of strength and efficiency in the mining world. These beasts weigh around 90 tons each and are powered by Caterpillar C18 ACERT engines, delivering a staggering 523 horsepower, 390 kilowatts. Their advanced hydraulic systems allow smooth, responsive operation even under extreme load, making them ideal for high-performance mining sites. In this coal mine, these two excavators are operating side by side, 390D handling the overburden layers, while the 390F focuses on loading raw coal directly into giant dump trucks. The trucks, each capable of hauling up to 100 tons of material per load, move in perfect rhythm with the excavators, maintaining continuous workflow with minimal downtime. Operators control these machines with incredible precision, digging through tough terrain and optimizing bucket capacity with every scoop. Thanks to Caterpillar's next-generation hydraulic technology, fuel consumption is reduced while maintaining peak productivity, a major advantage for large-scale mining companies. The CAT 390F, known for its improved efficiency over the 390D, features upgraded hydraulic pumps, reinforced booms, and advanced operator comfort technology, including an automatic climate-controlled cab and touchscreen monitoring systems. This allows the operator to maintain control and visibility, even during long shifts in dusty and hot environments. Every scoop you see in this video represents tons of earth moved and coal extracted, a real demonstration of industrial engineering at its finest. Model Caterpillar 390D and 390F hydraulic excavators engine power, 523 HP, 390 kilowatt operating weight, approx. 90,000 kilo, 90 tons, bucket. Capacity, 4.6 to 6.0 cubic meters. Max digging, depth, 7 to 8 meters. Fuel. Capacity, 250 liters. Productivity, up to 20%. Higher in the 390F compared to the 390D. Used for overburden removal, coal loading, and large-scale earth-moving operations. These machines are built to perform in harsh mining environments, from scorching deserts to muddy coal pits, ensuring reliability, durability, and long service life. And that's the real power of Caterpillar mining machines in action. The CAT 390D and 390F excavators prove once again why Caterpillar remains a global leader in heavy-duty equipment. Their raw power, engineering brilliance, and unmatched efficiency make them the backbone of any major coal operation. If you enjoyed watching these mega machines dominate the coal mine, don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite moment from the video. Subscribe to the channel for more real mining operations, excavator loading, and industrial power in action from around the world. Until next time, keep watching and celebrating the power of engineering.